Everyone, in this video I'm going to solve a problem from statistics of 10th class. The question is, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of policy holders of 100 policy holders. Okay, we have to find the median age. It is given a table from 18 onwards to less than 60 years. Okay, this is less than cumulative frequency table. We have to find from this. Okay, so first one is less than 20, next 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, like that we have to take for the age, which is nothing but xi. Next, the number of policy holders must be taken as a frequency, that is fi. So first will comes the same, but we have to subtract and you will get the these values. Okay, for frequency means for the first one you will get the same 2, less than 22. Next here 20 to 25 we are taking, so you have to subtract the second one from first one, so you will get 4. In the same way you have to do the remaining frequencies. Okay, from these frequencies we have to find the cumulative frequency. You will get the same values actually. Now here again, till here what left? 89 plus 11. You will get 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 and again 10. That is 100. Okay. Now if you add, first you have to add the frequency, normal frequency. That is here minus 3 plus 3 cancel. Right. So remaining numbers we have to add. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5, 6, 14, 18, 20. 0, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 8, 9, 110. So 100. N is equals to what we got? 100. So for this we have to use again the median formula. What is the median formula? Median is equals to L plus N by 2 minus capital F by small f into H. This is the formula we are using to find the median. Here now let us find first n by 2. Based on n by 2 we have to take the remaining values of the median formula. So n is nothing but 100. 100 by 2 is equals to what? You will get 50. So for this, what is the nearest one? More than nearest, that is 78. Okay, 78 the nearest highest number for 50. So by this we have to find L value, capital F value, small f value, and H is commonly for everything. The common difference between these class intervals is 5. Now coming to small l, here what we got, n by 2 is 50. So nearly greater number in the frequency, cumulative frequency is 78. So for that, what is the median class interval? This is the median class, right? So in this, what is the lower frequency? This is lower frequency, so this is taken as L. So L equals to 35. Next coming to capital F. Capital F is cumulative frequency, so just above the 78, what is the number you have? That will be the capital F, 45. Next coming to small f, 78 frequency is what ma? 33. So this becomes small f, 33, and H we know H is equals to 5 cumulative frequency. Now substitute these values in the formula. Median equals to L plus N by 2 is 50 minus capital S is 45 by small f is 33 into 5. Okay, which is equals to 35 plus 50 minus 45 is 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 by 33, which is equals to, if you multiply these both, 35 into 33, 5 is 15, 1, 10, again 5, 0, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1. So 1155 plus 25 by 33. Here nothing I did, just took the LCM and after getting the LCM, just you multiply these, cross multiplication if you do, you will get the numerator part. So now add these two numbers, 5 plus 5 10, 0 1, 6 plus 2 8 and 1 1 by 33. If you divide, you will get 33 1180. 33 3 66, 4's 132. It's more. So 33 3's, if you take 99, 18 minus 9 9, 10 minus 9 1. So 190 you will get. Next 33 5's how much? 165. 33 8's, 264. Right? 33 8's, 264 more. So 33 7's, 21 23, 231, that is also more. So 33 6's, 189 198. 3 6's are 18 1, 18 plus 1 198, it's also more. So 33 5's you have to take, 15 16 165, 5 165. 10 minus 5 5, 8 minus 6 2, 250 you will get. Right? Point here 0. So 33 7's, 231. Right? 33 8's, 24 26, 264 more. So 33 7's, 231. 10 minus 1 9, 4 minus 3 1, 190 you will get again. Again 5's, 165. Again what you will get? 10 minus 5 5, 8 minus 6 2. So this recurring, non-terminating recurring decimal. So what you will get? 35.75 nearly. Okay, it's not exactly, nearly, because why we can't say the exact value here. It's the decimal coefficient is in the decimal form and also repeating. So nearly, this is the median age of years for this problem. Like this we have to find. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.